There was a time when a nation forgot the Creator and turned towards false gods. Temple rose for idols, and the name of Allah was slowly forgotten. In that darkness, Allah sent a courageous messenger, Hazrat Ilyas, a prophet who stood firmly against shirk. Hazrat Ilyas was sent as a prophet to the people of Bani Israel. His people had begun worshipping an idol known as Baal, abandoning the worship of Allah. Allah chose Ilyas to guide them back to the path of Tawheed. Hazrat Ilyas stood before his people with a powerful message. He called them to leave idol worship and return to worship of Allah alone. He asked them, "Do you call upon Baal and abandon the best of creators?" Despite the clear message, most of his people refused to listen. They clung to their idols and traditions. Only a small group believed and followed the guidance of Hazrat Ilyas alayhi salam. Ilyas alayhi salam warned them about the consequences of turning away from Allah. He reminded them that idols had no power to help or harm, but arrogance blinded their hearts and many rejected the truth. Years after years, Ilyas continued his mission. He called his people with patience, wisdom, and sincerity. Even when many rejected him, he never stopped delivering Allah's message. The disbelievers planned to oppose and silence the Prophet, but Allah protected his messenger and the believers who followed him. And Allah honored Ilyas
The story of Ilyas
saying,
reminds us to stand against shirk.
Ilyas.
And Allah honored him with
The
the
story of
words,
Hazrat Ilyas
"Peace be
is a
upon
powerful
Ilyas."
reminder of standing firm against shirk. Even when the majority rejected the truth, he remained loyal to Allah. His life teaches us courage, patience, and unwavering faith in the worship of Allah alone.